In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do air combo in Project Smash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can initiate an air combo with any character in Project Smash. Keep in mind that this is going to be a very basic overview. I don't have in-depth knowledge about combos, and I'm only gonna be teaching you how you can initiate an air combo chain. So you will be able to practice this and perform combos as any character. So, if you didn't know this, you have 3 jumps available in Project Smash. As you can see, you will be able to jump 2 times after you jump once, essentially giving you 3 jumps. And if you look up, after you jump and attack, you will perform this uppercut into the air. This is going to be the primary way to connect an air combo and get it started. So all that you have to do is jump, look up, and attack. This will launch you upwards, and now you can initiate an air combo. A lot of your skills can be performed while in the air. So as you can see, Whirlwind Slash can be used while in the air. So as long as you use this while you are in the air, or any other abilities, and you hit an opponent, it is going to connect and do damage to them while you are in the air. There are plenty of ways to go about using your abilities, and all that you have to do is jump, look up, attack, and then use them here. Now, a lot of people have different combos that they do, for example, 3 M1s into a firecracker, into 3 M1s bomb, and then down slam, uppercut, whirlwind down. But since there's so many variations and there's so many characters, you can usually experiment to see what you prefer. Everything is viable because most abilities will let you stay longer in the air. So as you can see, when I press an ability, I stay for a few seconds in the air. Because of this, it's very important that you don't spam them and you use one at a time. Try to make the most out of all of your jumps, and you will be able to air combo someone in Project Smash. I hope I was able to help you on how to air combo in Project Smash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.